Hey, what's shaking? It's Eva here, back with another devlog. So, a lot has happened in the past 2 weeks. The first and most obvious thing is we have all these sprites in for the characters that we'll be using for the initial run of playtests. There's gonna be the 5 characters based on the Chinese 5 elements. We have a healer, a hunter, a crimson witch, a berserker, and a guardian. We've also dropped all the characters into sort of this example environment to get an idea of the style we're going to go for later on. The look I'm going for is sort of like a 3D pixel look. So if you look at these rocks and stuff, they look a little bit pixelated, but they're actually in 3D space and just pass through a filter. So we can actually move around the scene and look around. Later on, we're gonna have some like dynamic camera panning in order to get a better idea of whose turn it is and stuff. So the main focus of the past 2 weeks has just been a lot of functionality changes in the back end. So actually all of these cards work right now. So if I click this explosion, it's going to do damage to everything. Obviously visibility is pretty low right now since we're focused on the back so far. But in terms of like how the game itself works, a lot of this is actually working. So I can like click on a character to switch to it. And you can see the turns sort of passing around. Basically what's going to be happening next is we're going to do the prep work for the next playtest. Right now, what has to happen for that is to get a little bit more visibility in. Like, there's no indication of what's happening on the opponent turns right now, and also I need to set up the logic for the win condition and sort of what happens when characters die, because right now they just sit around with 0 HP. I can actually probably show you that right now. Yeah, see that I dropped this hunter's HP to 0, but nothing happens. So I need to add in some death conditions and a little bit more like what's actually going on in the game when turns are happening. And then we'll be ready for our first sort of internal playtest on Saturday. I'll probably record that and drop this on the devlog channel as well, so look forward to it. If you're interested in this project, then feel free to subscribe, or you can check in the description for our Discord link and join that to follow along as well. I'll be posting updates every 2 weeks as usual, and maybe we'll see some playtest footage as well, where I'll be joined by my designer partner, Shima Fish. Bye for now, though, and I'll see you next time.